G'day and welcome to another QR360AU video. My name's Steve and today, as you can guess, we're looking at Cooranbong. Cooranbong is a town and a rural suburb of the City of Lake Macquarie, New South Wales, Australia. West of the town of Morisset and off the Sydney-Newcastle freeway, Cooranbong is surrounded by the Wadigans National Park. The town's name is derived from the Aboriginal word Cooranbong, meaning rocky bottom creek or water over rocks. Prior to settlement and development of the area known as Cooranbong, people lived who identified a part of the Awabakal group. It is unknown as to how long the people lived collectively, as to a single group, and the nature of their interactions through peace and conflict with other people not known as their kin. The modern settler, Lieutenant Percy Simpson, who received a 2,000 acre or 809 hectare land grant from the government, was assigned 6 convicts who cleared the land, grazed cattle and built a homestead near Dora Creek. Although Simpson only stayed there for 2 years, one of his convicts, Moses Carroll, became a stockman in the area, eventually becoming the area's police constable. The Robertson's Land Act of 1861 allowed the town to grow, encouraging the construction of a Catholic church and later a school, a police station and a courthouse in 1873, a post office in 1881 and then an Anglican church. Timber cutting was the main primary economic activity during the 1880s, and the population reached 700. When the railway was built from Sydney to Newcastle in the 1880s, the line passed around 5 kilometres east of the town. The station and associated settlement was originally labelled as Cooranbong, but later became known as Morisset. This was a devastating blow to the local economy, in conjunction with the significant economic depression occurring in the colony. Consequently, the population declined to 206 people by 1891. This economic depression continued until the Seventh-day Adventist Church bought 1,500 acres, or 607 hectares, on the northern bank of Dora Creek, where they built Avondale College in 1897 and then the Sanitarium Health Food Company in 1909. According to the 2016 census, Cooranbong's population was 5,449 people. The area covered by the location is 4.5 kilometres squared, and the population density is 1,211 people per square kilometre. It was established in 1826 and has the postcode of 2265. Interesting locations within the town is the South Sea Island Museum, located at 27 Avondale Road, and opposite this is the Sunnyside Historical Home. Cooranbong is home also to Cooranbong Public School, Avondale School and Avondale College. Thank you for tuning in to the QR360AU series. I hope you enjoy these series of panoramas around the City of Lake Macquarie. Now we'll start heading back towards the east again.